Are the effects of inflation making raising a family feel like an ever increasing bill? Have you ever wished your business purchases could go further and get the best of both worlds, saving on taxes while spending? If you feel it's a hassle to keep up with new taxes, don't worry. Today we'll get you updated on new developments for child tax credits and business tax breaks. Hey there, tax warriors. Welcome to JDB Tax. I'm Brian Eustache, enrolled agent and tax strategist. But I call myself a taxtician, a tax tactician leveraging the tax code to the fullest extent. And with this segment of Tax Tactics, we're breaking down the child tax credit and business tax breaks under the Tax Relief for American Families and Workers Act of 2024. This legislation isn't just a lifeline for individuals with children. It's packed with incentives for businesses too. So if you're a business owner or just curious about how this affects tax planning, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the tax strategies that can guide you forward in this new tax era. If you'd like to see more tax content like this, hit the like and comment down below. On Wednesday, the U.S. House passed a tax package worth $78 billion. With a decisive 357 to 70 vote, this package aims to extend the child tax credit and restore certain tax benefits for businesses. It's named the Tax Relief for American Families and Workers Act of 2024. The bill is now on its way to the U.S. Senate, where it's anticipated to be voted on. This bill includes several tax incentives for businesses, including provision that would immediately allow businesses to deduct research and development investments made within the United States, as well as increase the accelerated depreciation. But first, we'll discuss how the 2024 Act brings a breath of fresh air for families across the country with significant enhancements to the child tax credit. Here's what you need to know to make the most of it.
What we're doing here is we're addressing skyrocketing inflation. We're indexing for inflation, and people have seen inflation go up 20% since the Trump child tax credit in 2017. We're also eliminating the penalty for multiple children, and we're maintaining work requirements, which is very crucial.
The bill would expand the current refundable portion of the child tax credit to a maximum of $1,800 in 2023, $1,900 in 2024, and $2,000 in 2025. This means even if you didn't owe taxes, you can still receive the full amount of the credit as a refund, providing direct support to families who need it most.
Refundability of the credit. If you look at TCJA from 2017, the refundability portion was a $1,400 index for inflation. Currently, it's $1,700. What this bill does is add $100 every year over the next 3 years. So it's just a bonus increase compared to what it already is projected under the indexing for inflation.
I mentioned 2023 earlier, and I know some may say, should I wait until it becomes law to file my taxes? IRS Commissioner Danny Werfel wanted everyone to know you should do your taxes when you can. Don't wait for the government to decide things. If something changes with your taxes because of the new law, we'll fix it and send you any extra money you should get. You don't have to do anything else. So that's the advice straight from the top. What if you do your taxes now, get your refund, and then the government says you can get more money? The IRS will figure out the extra money you should get and send you a check in the mail. No amended tax returns necessary. The 2024 Act marks a pivotal moment for corporate America as well, introducing a suite of tax breaks designed to stimulate growth, innovation, and sustainability. Here's what's on the table for businesses.
But when you look at research and development, interest deductibility, and 100% expensing, these are 3 signature items.
Enhanced deductions for research and development, R&D. Research and development take a front seat with increased deductions, making it more financially viable for companies to invest in innovation.
Just the research and development expensing would create $70 billion in investment in the United States, support 21 million jobs. We're extending it that expired in 21. China alone, Larry, has a 200% advantage over us in research and development. And since that provision expired in 21, we've seen research and development in the United States be negative. When you look at the expensing, Larry, that affects $400 billion in investment and 73,000 new jobs. These are all very good provisions that are a win for all Americans, small businesses and families.
Expanded depreciation rules. These new rules allow for accelerated depreciation on certain assets, enabling businesses to reduce taxable income more quickly than before. Last year was 80%. 2024 is 60%. This will allow for even more savings from depreciation in year one for business owners. This is huge for tax planning. To take advantage of the expanded depreciation rules, to update or expand your business assets while reducing your taxable income faster. When you have a tax strategist on your side, you don't have to stress on what lawmakers are doing because we'll stay up to date for you. JDB Tax Strategy helps business owners legally save money on taxes without fear of the IRS by leveraging the tax code to the fullest extent. After booking a consultation call with us, at jdbtax.com, we'll build a personalized battle plan to minimize your tax burden and maximize your wealth. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and click all so you can join me on this epic quest to conquer taxes and claim your financial throne. I post tax tactics every Tuesday and Thursday. See you next time, tax warriors.